Hello, and welcome back to a new video, guys. In this video we're gonna have a corgi toy. It is a Toyota Corolla ST, made in Great Britain. It is quite beat up. The rivets has been taken out. It's not much on it. Screen looks very bad. The sides and the back pretty much is gonna come out with a good polish, but the front one is horrible. Interior is just interior. I hate these ones when they have this steering like that. I was just having, like a few days ago, this BMW 850. The same thing. Why they do that like that? Anyway, yeah, it is what it is. Rust, low rust. Wheels blocked. Yeah. So yeah. The top is a little bit bended. Has been painted before, definitely. So yeah, we'll see what we can do with this one. Is, as I said, not much, as is already open, so most of the work is done. Now is gonna come the easy part: cleaning, stripping, painting, and trying to make it look better. So yeah, guys, I'll come back to you with the final product. It's no point to it's nothing much to show you. So just the screen. Hopefully I'm gonna make it to I can do it another piece of plastic here. As most of you know, guys, I'm not buying parts. I'm trying to do it by myself. Obviously some of them they come up nice, some of them they don't, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. So I will see you later, guys. Hello. Here we are, guys. We are back with our Toyota Corolla GT. This is what we end up with. I think it looks much better. Now, didn't do much of it. As you know, the screen was broken, so I cut and replaced the screen. This was his screen before. So the sides and the back it did stay the same. Just the front I replaced it, and the rest of it just clean it and polish it, and that's it. So yeah, I think we did a good job with it. Not too bad. It looks much better now. This model, it comes most of them like in or red or white, so I choose white. I don't really like too much red, but when it needs to be done, it needs to be done. But yeah, this one I make it in white because it gets, I don't know, it gets better with the base, you know. So yeah, we put a couple of stickers on it. Not much details, just the backlights. The front one is just come with the screen, with the plastic. So yeah, guys, this is what we end up with, our Toyota Corolla. Hope you like it, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And as I usually tell you guys, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for the support and being here with me. And yeah, stay safe guys, and come back for more videos. Bye for now.